everybody. I want to thank you again for tuning into my channel. My name is Gault. I am the author of My Journey to the Fountain of Youth. This book you can get on Amazon, and it's got a lot of great tips on how to look and feel as young as possible. Today, we're going to talk about part 4 of a hair growth series that we started. And today we're going to be talking about hair masks. So this would be about what kind of things that we can develop that we can put in our hair to help make it grow. There are all sorts of crazy things that people make or put together to put into their hair to help make it grow. And there's all different benefits for it. And I'm just going to go over a couple of these right now, or a few of these. And what I would recommend is make sure that if you do something like this, make sure it's all organic. And anything that you can eat, pretty much, I think is going to be pretty safe on your hair. I would just worry about if anything is spicy, just worry about that. I probably wouldn't move too much into that because you don't want to get it into your eyes, because you get in your eyes, you're going to burn. It won't hurt your hair, but you will. You don't want to burn your eyes. So some of the things that people have picked, eggs, obviously for the protein, can really help hair out. Lemon, avocado, turmeric, and I like to use the raw kind, not the powder form, but the actual real product. Mayonnaise, rice water, coffee, tea, the caffeine that can help blood circulation, yogurt, aloe vera gel, bananas, essential and other oils. And so people will take these and they will mix them to come up with different things. So they'll take maybe the eggs, the avocado, and the banana, and they'll mush it all together, put it in the blender, maybe a Vitamix, and then they will use that as a mask they will put on their hair to help it grow. And a lot of these things are about one thing, and that is about getting blood flow to the hair and also strengthening the hair follicles and opening up pores so that the scalp is healthy and strong and the hair becomes healthy and strong and grows faster. And today what I want to talk about is one that I make out of a bunch of different oils, and I think you'll like it. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it here, and then we're going to go make it. Okay, so what do? I have one that I actually put in 8 different types of oil, and I know this sounds kind of crazy, but they all have different properties, and all these oils are out there that help hair grow, and so I'm putting them all together to get the benefit from all of them. So the number one oil, and you'll hear any hair mask out there just about uses coconut oil. It has great vitamins in it, and it has essential fatty acids. And so coconut oil is one of the top oils that you can use in your hair to help make it grow. Olive oil is another one that's really great. It's an antioxidant, also helps the blood flow. So that's going to bring nourishment to your hair. It's going to help make it grow. Castor oil is one that a lot of hair masks are made of. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It has wrinkles acid in it as well, and that really does help the hair, nourish the hair to help it grow. Jojoba oil is another one I'm going to use. It's antifungal. It moisturizes the scalp. Also, again, it helps blood flow to the scalp. Sweet almond oil is another one. It has oleic acid in it. It opens the pores and the follicles and really thickens the follicles, so it really helps the hair grow. So that's another oil I'd like to add. Vitamin E, as we know, is an antioxidant. We use it for a lot of things to help skin problems. It also helps repair damaged skin and damaged scalp. It also will help with the blood flow to the scalp to get the hair growing again. And then I like to so I will use like equal parts of those. I typically don't measure them out, although you can. And I would suggest if you're going to measure it out, you would use like a half a cup of each one of these and pour it into some sort of bottle. And I'll show you what I use. And then I would use a couple of drops of peppermint oil, which again increases circulation, and frankincense oil, which is an antifungal, antibacterial moisturizer too. The 2 oils smell pretty good, so it makes some of the other oils, especially castor oil, doesn't smell that good. You put some of those other drops of those other oils in there, and you're going to have an oil that actually smells a little better. You're going to shake it all up, and you can use it every day. I typically will use it at night before I go to bed, and it doesn't take a lot of oil for my hair because I'm still trying to grow it back. But people who have longer hair will probably want to get it, saturated and all in their hair. They're going to need a little bit more of it. So let's go. Let me show you how did we go make it. Okay, well, welcome back. So I usually will put all these oils in a like a sports bottle, and that way I could shake it up, and then I can just keep it in here, and I can use it whenever I need it. So the first thing I'm going to use is coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is solid at room temperature, so what I did here is I just ran it under hot water for a little while, so it's nice and liquidy. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of that in. If you really want to be precise again, what you want to do is put a half a cup of coconut oil in, and then you're going to take olive oil, and you're going to put a half a cup of that in. I'm just going to pour a little in. That's olive oil. Then you're going to put in some castor oil. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that in. And again, you're going to do the measurements if you want. This is jojoba oil. So you're going to pop that in. A little bit of that. A little bit of the sweet almond oil. And you can get all these oils. I get them at Whole Foods typically. And I try to get the most organic and natural that I can. I'm going to add vitamin E oil. Put a squirt in there. So again, I would probably put a half a cup of each of these. And then to top it off, you're just going to put a few drops of peppermint oil. Just a few drops. You don't need a lot. And so you got that. And then a few drops of frankincense oil, and you're just going to put a little bit in there. You're not going to need a lot. Okay, and then I would say about 10 drops each of those. And then you shake it, and this oil is ready to go ahead and we put on the hair. And I can even show you that right now. Why not? I put some on my hand, rub it in, and I'm going to rub it in my hair. And typically, I will do this, and I will get it over every strand. I really massage it into the scalp, and I get it onto every strand, and then I will actually sleep like this at night. And I think doing that, I get the benefit of having these great oils on my scalp all night long, and it's going to really help make me healthy, my hair healthy. It'll make your hair healthy if you try it. So give it a try. I think you'll like it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.